My name is Sean Aurora. I'm the director of the Candida Building for Innovative Sustainable Design. The building was designed to be the very first living building in the state. A living building is a building that gives back to nature more than it takes from nature. So mass timber, as you can see, played a central role in the project.
The wood that we used in this building is actually an engineered product. It's made of multiple laminations of wood that have been glued together that create amazing spanning capabilities. It's very exciting. It's exciting to be part of something that's new. One of the interesting ways in which mass timber stimulated creativity was we used these panelized products that you can see on the ceiling. And those panelized products are made of alternating 2x6s and 2x4s. They're assembled in a panel ahead of time, which enables them to be brought to the site as a large unit and assembled rapidly. And because wood is a light material, it can be assembled with a relatively low amount of energy.
We have an obligation to be a fully certified living building to begin our life zero carbon footprint. What do trees do?
It's not just about what the building is as it operates, it's also about how you build it and what you build it out of. We knew we wanted to build with the lowest carbon material that we possibly could. The ability to start to look to wood to build buildings that actually takes carbon out of the atmosphere as wood grows, and then to put it back into the building and actually start to store carbon long-term in a building using wood as a primary building material.
Georgia is the #1 state for timber. So doesn't it make sense that we build with something that's common to this place?
The reason that this building was created was to be an example of something that would be the future of the state. And that inspires people.
I think what I found in wood in terms of the primary material for this project was not only the fact that it was renewable. This sounds cheeky, but bear with me, it's actually beautiful.
We're providing economic opportunity for the farmers. A mass timber beam is a manufactured product. It's a factory job. And then we use that renewable source to construct buildings that's decreasing the need to import carbon-intensive steel from out of state. It's a win-win-win.
I'm not really interested in environmentalists visiting the building. They get it. For the timber industry, don't forget about the 18 to 25-year-olds, those kids who may be curious about sustainability or climate change, etc., but aren't properly exposed to it. So why not learn about differential equations in the living building? That's the best audience that we could appeal to.
This building is a catalyst for a new consciousness in the state, which I think is going to lead to more adoption of this material in the future.